to my channel, Twins u.s.a.
Our 42nd president was
William Clinton.
and he served from 1993 through 2001. He was born in Arkansas on August 19, 1946. He was a Democratic known as Boba, and his wife's name was Hillary.
Did you know Clinton was the president to be elected? He was a saxophone player and almost became a musician.
Our 43rd president was
George W. Bush.
and he served from 2001 through 2009. He was born in Connecticut on July 6, 1946. He was a Republican, nicknamed W, and his wife's name was Laura.
Did you know he and his father were only the second father-son presidents in the United States history? He was collector of the over 250 signed baseball.
Our 44th president was
Barack Obama.
and he served from 2009 through 2017. He was born in Hawaii on August 4th, 1961. He was a Democratic. His nickname was Barry, and his wife's name was Michelle.
Did you know Obama was the first African American to become president? Obama's favorite sport is basketball.
Our 45th president was
Donald Trump.
and he served from 2017 through 2021. He was born on June 14, 1946. He was a Republican, and his wife's name was Melania.
Did you know Trump knew Louis Academy? He began working for his father company as Trump son. His father renamed it to the Trump Organization.
Our 46th president was
Joe Biden.
He is currently serving as our president as of 2021. He was born in Scranton, Pennsylvania, born on November 20th, 1942. He is a Democratic, and his wife's name is Jill.
Did you know how to slide a wing? Problem as a giant was bullied for it still as longest. So was Barack Obama, now vice president for 8 years, the oldest US president, being sworn in at age 78. Please like and share.